Hey all, this is Anupama and welcome back, and I hope you are all doing good. So it's been so long that I haven't posted any videos due to some family emergencies. I'm so sorry guys. So from now onwards I'll be trying to post the videos regularly. So I have been waiting for this as I love what I am doing and I miss my camera, I missed you guys. So without any further ado, let's start our video. So if you are new here, please do consider subscribing and please do follow me on my Instagram ID as well. So let's get started. So for this I had taken this big canvas of size 46 by 61 centimeters and I had drawn the rough sketch on the newspaper by joining two newspapers. Now to trace this I'll be using this yellow carbon, and this canvas is from Amazon guys, and it's not necessary that you need such a big canvas. As I'm having this, I'm using, you can even try it on the smaller ones or even you can use MDF board. Now spread the carbon all over the canvas and place our design on top of it and secure this using masking tape so that the paper doesn't move while we are tracing. Now just start tracing the design using pencil. You need to just carefully trace the design. Yes, this video is gonna be a bit long as I tried to show you each and every step in detail. It took me almost 4 days to complete this project in this size. Coming to the designing part, it took me one whole day thinking of what to do, and finally I started drawing a rough sketch on a newspaper, and that is what you are seeing now. So I had almost completed tracing the design. Now carefully remove the paper. And now just remove the carbon papers. And now you can see the design on the canvas. And you can see on the side I had missed some design. And middle for the Jharokha part, I had drawn lines. So now let's start working on the Jharokha part, which is on the middle. So for this I am using this mouldit clay. You'll be getting two portions like this. You need to just mix them to get a uniform color like this. Now take some clay and roll it and try to spread it uniformly. Now apply some glue on the canvas where you want to stick the clay. And now place the clay over the glue and give it a gentle press like this to cover the shape which I have drawn. So basically you will be needing a rectangle shape. To get that exact shape, I'll be cutting the sides using this scale. Remove the excess clay. And gently rub the sides to get that soft texture. So we need to follow this for all the lines which are on the Jharokha. So this is exactly the middle line which is dividing the Jharokha into two parts. So just I need to elevate this middle line. I'm applying more glue on the top of this clay, and then I'll be sticking one more line of clay just to elevate the center line, and then flatten the surface by gently pressing it. So if you have seen our olden days doors, there will be a lot of carvings and designs on it. So to get that look, start giving impressions with whatever tools you are having. So for this I am using this knife. Start filling the other lines as well. So now again I am using this sketch pen, the back side of the sketch pen, to get these impressions. So you can use any tools which are available with you to get that desired structure or that impressions. Just complete the design. So now cover the sides. Again applying the glue and on top of it I'll be sticking this clay. And for this I am using this pen refill to give the impressions. So now you can see how our center part looks after completing the clay work. Still there is bit of clay work pending on the center part. So for this, take some more clay and spread it. And now I'll be using this clay cutter to get these flower shapes. You just need to gently press it so that you will be getting a flower cutout. So I had made few more flowers like this, and now I'll be sticking these flowers in between each square. Apply some glue and stick the flowers. Now take some more clay and make few small balls like this. And now we'll be sticking these balls on the center part of the flower. Give it a gentle press. And then using any tool, or you can even use tip of the pencil or pen to give it a press, and you'll be getting something like this. So this is how our center portion looks after completing the clay work. So now let's start painting our design. Let me start with the sides. So for this I am using this chalk paint to fill in the color, excluding the designing part. So for that, first I am drawing the borders using the paint. So once you're done with the outline, now start filling the color, excluding the flowers and leaves. As this is gonna take time, you just need to be patient enough to complete the project. Do it slowly and carefully. So in this video, some clippings will be in 2x speed, else the video is gonna be too long. So to make it cut short, I made few clippings in faster mode. So once you're done with the filling part, now start coloring the flowers and leaves. So now for the lotus, I'm using this pink color. You just need to fill the color. And for the leaves, I'm using this green color. And now to elevate the flowers, I'm using this 3D outliner. And I'll be making this dotted pattern. So this is completely optional and you can skip this part, but I liked it because it looks more beautiful after doing this. And now to draw the stems, I will be using this metallic gold acrylic marker from Itsy Bitsy. So I'll be dropping down all the links in the description box, so that if you want to buy, please do check the description box. Actually this is a metallic gold, but after drawing this on the blue color, it has changed to green. I don't know why. I'll be showing you the before look. See, so now you can see here, this is actually the metallic gold. Now you can see here clearly, this is the color. So this is how it looks once we are done with the painting part, that is the outer part. Now let's start painting the Jharokha. So as a base coat, I am applying white gesso. Apply it on the clay and then allow it to dry, and then on top of it I will be applying this burnt sienna color, so that you will be getting the exact shade of that of the wooden doors and windows to get that vintage look. So first I will be applying on the clay part, and then I will be filling the center portion. And now to get that antique look, I'll be using this gold metallic paint, antique gold, using sponge dabber. I'll be applying paint on these flowers. Just you need to slightly dab it to get that antique look. So here you can see it. Just press it lightly so that this is how it looks. So moving to the next part, I'll be applying varnish. So this varnish is from Itsy Bitsy. So again, if you want to buy this, please do check the description box. So I'll be dropping down all the links. And once you're done with the varnish, now I'll be sticking these mirrors on the center part of the flowers like this. So now we are almost done with our project. So for the borders, I am using these wooden sticks which are available with me. You can completely skip this part and you can use any paint to draw the borders, or you can leave it as such. Now to get that same look of that middle part of that Jharokha, I am using this burnt sienna color again for these wooden sticks. I'll be coloring all the sticks with this color and then let it dry. And now I'll be sticking this on the canvas. Now apply glue on the bottom side of the stick and gently spread it with your fingers, and then carefully stick it on the sides like this. So I'll be covering the border using these sticks so that I'll be getting a 3D look. As I said, this is completely optional. You can skip this part. You can paint the borders, or you can even stick mirrors to create a border. So finally my canvas looks like a framed one. So finally this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful and it gives an aesthetic look to your wall. Yes, though it took 4 to 5 days to complete this project, I completely enjoyed it and I'm very happy with the outcome. And all that I can say is give it a try and you will love it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this, and please do share your videos in the comment section below. And if at all you give it a try, please do share your pics on my Instagram ID as well. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.